AFRY PaperLine – increase the production efficiency and traceability. AFRY PaperLine is one of the most advanced solutions available today, built with over 40 years of AFRY's pulp, paper and process technology experience at its core, developed and maintained on the AFRY MES system platform. AFRY PaperLine covers the entire production process. The system's flexible solutions meet the challenges of today's complex production chains. Get started with its standard functions and modules such as order handling, production and machine planning, winding and trimming, lab and quality, storage and dispatch, and our OEE solution, AFRY ProTac. You can also have it tailor-made to suit your operations, and allowing seamless integration with other systems and data sources like ERP, DCS, and historians. AFRY PaperLine supports the mobile workforce with an open and modern interface that connects people and technology. Collaboration is easy and creates valuable transparency between unit operations and operators. Significant data transparency is made possible by full process traceability of both product and raw material, and the collection of data for analysis and production optimization. Need fast, accurate reporting at your fingertips? AFRY PaperLine's Screen Builder tool allows you also to customize your on-screen dashboard and display desired KPIs in minutes. What's more, enhancements to the system are carried out on a yearly basis, enabling it to benefit from advances within digitalization and Industry 4.0 thinking. AFRY PaperLine, growing with your business to increase the production efficiency